Guys, this set square by WORKPRO is one of my favorite tools. I've been using it in my home office build quite a lot recently for two very specific features. I'll show you in a second, but just general overview. It's a really nice build made of hardened stainless steel. This is the 12-inch version, which you can just see down there on the ruler. All those are laser etched in as well, which just makes them, really precise, which is cool. So you've got centimeters on this side too, and the same measurements are on the back as well, inches and centimeters. Now, I kind of think of this bit here as the handle, whichever way you hold it. But inside the handle, you've got this little gold dial as well, this kind of nice, kind of grippy bit. If you twist it to loosen, then basically you can shift the ruler left or right, kind of as far as you like, and then tighten this the other way to tighten it. I can't do it one-handed, but the feature's there. You've also got a spirit level, which to be honest I've not used, but it's nice to have it. The two features I use it for predominantly is one, using the right angle to, kind of naked eye at least, just make sure that I've got a nice clean cut at the end of my wood. To go into all of, you can see a support beam over there, so I want to make sure it's a good fit. And the other thing is I need this to be 40.5 centimeters, and at the moment it's about 50. So in a second I'll use a tape measure to mark out where 40.5 is, but then rather than kind of eyeballing it to get this straight cut down, again, I can use the right angle feature, get a nice straight line across the whole timber, and then it's super easy to cut and get it all right. So yeah, a couple of features I like to use it for, but yeah, a favorite of mine in the toolkit.